get mugged and killed?
I don't know. It's some crazy motherfuckers. I don't know what they might do to him. Might take his cameras.
What's the situation with the cops out here? Do they show up if something goes down?
Just walking over here.
Really?
I'm smoking a blunt.
They don't give a rip.
They don't care. I care about nobody in St. Louis, especially black people, bro.
Really?
They don't care, and this is coming from a white woman, bro. Police ain't over here. Shorty over here. Shorty need to do a little better.
But what did little Shotty think about being a cop out here? Is gun violence pretty big out here? Do you feel safe out here as in your job?
Yeah, I've been doing this for a long time.
Okay.
You just never know, though. I mean,
So I gotta
when
say.
it's your day. It's your day. It doesn't matter.
Is it dangerous as a cop out here? Yeah? You guys wish there were more police? I hear this is the most dangerous city in America, though. Yeah. After hearing how dangerous this place was from the locals, we made our way into the trenches to one of the worst neighborhoods in St. Louis. Meet up with an up-and-coming rapper named Esco and his crew. 1 year ago, Tommy G met up with these kids. Since then, CTS Lil Wick has been locked up for murdering someone in a shootout while on a motorcycle. Bruh. I wanted to know what happened to the rest of the crew since the Tommy G video. So I threw on a bulletproof vest and headed to the hood. I'm dressed for survival in case I catch a stray bullet out here. I'm stressing a little bit, but I want to gauge some insight as to why this place is so rough.
Mage table?
Yeah, dude.
And how these guys plan on getting out of here if they even want to get out of here. Every block we're about to drive through is basically a no-stop zone. I'm ready to peel it in this rental right here for whatever. No idea.
Fuck, I should have like grounding.
Saw Esco in the distance and hopped out of the car to meet his crew. How you boys doing? Well, this place is dangerous, man.
Too far away.
No, I couldn't stop it.
Yeah, you want to hit it? Or, I mean, don't shoot it, but...
It's got 2 trees popped.
Must get closer. Too far away.
Druid popped Incarn. Dance. Dwarfed off Deathmark. Just keep living. You're doing good. We gotta just keep living.
Long there.
Perfect. How does he still have 3 trees out? I'm going on the Druid.
Go ahead. Bye bye. I didn't even know he's dead. So fucking